This is what happens when intelligence meets intention. When software is advanced, but effortless to operate. When everything you touch feels like it already knows what you want it to do. That's the 2026 MasterCraft experience. Every boat in the lineup is now smarter, faster, and more connected than ever, starting with standard keyless ignition on each 2026 model. No more fumbling for keys, just a keypad and a power button. Tap, engine roar, go. At the heart of it all, high-resolution touchscreens at the helm that respond instantly. From surf settings to GPS to rider profiles, every option is right where you expect it. More intuitive menus, faster load times, cleaner visuals, zero confusion. All designed around the driver. It's smart, seamless, and built for how you actually use your boat. Each model across the lineup comes factory loaded with rapid surf and foiling presets for quick setup. Want to tweak your wave, switch from left to right, fill ballast, or check battery and fuel? You're there in seconds. And with a dedicated volume knob and MasterCraft MyDrive rotary dial and integrated hotkeys, you can make quick adjustments to speed, wave settings, and more without ever taking your eyes off the water. New for 2026, Sleep and Away modes push onboard intelligence even further. Sleep mode reduces power consumption while you're relaxing in the cove, minimizing battery drain. Away mode takes it a step further, letting you leave the boat with peace of mind. Lights and accessories can remain on, and after a user-selected amount of time, the system automatically powers everything down, including the battery switch. Plus, you've got full visibility anytime, anywhere, thanks to onboard telematics and the MasterCraft Connect app. Real-time fuel levels, battery voltage, service alerts, and more, right from your phone. From wireless charging to personalized ambient lighting, even the small touches are built to think ahead. It's not just smart, it's MasterCraft smart. The most intelligent software in the industry, only on the 2026 MasterCraft lineup.